I think it's pretty late, I guess. You should have done this a long time ago, I feel.
I would think that it's not a good idea because people come from different area and in different mood, and few people drink and come.
This generation is not so much connected to the national anthem, apart from being in the schools. So it's fine. I don't think it's not such a big hassle to stand up for 3 minutes.
It's good actually because most of us exactly don't know the full national anthem also, and we also can stand up and we can feel proud in India that we are staying and we are listening to a national anthem in each and every movie.
I was hoping that this could have happened a much year back, but finally it has come, so let's hope for the best.
Probably somewhere they would have noticed that, people are not giving the due respect to a national anthem that they should be. So I think probably to bring back that culture, to make the people realize that the national anthem is also a very important part of our culture.
It's a pretty good move. You get to show your patriotism towards your country. I feel it's very important. It'll show us, it'll give each of us, patriotism will come from inside,
Today's youth is lacking is the feeling of the nation, like patriotism and the nationalism. So I think it will be a great initiative in that case.
I think we should all petition and say that first let it be played in the Supreme Court, and then I think you should set an example before you percolate it down to the people.
I think Supreme Court is itself a symbol of the patriotism, nationalism. They do not need to prove it.
For Supreme Court employees or Supreme Court people who go and work out there, it's like an office. Supreme Court is an office for them, is what I feel. So every day in the office is not necessary to have a national anthem.
Schools, definitely schools, colleges, I guess. I don't know, organized events, I feel, should be done.
The events, the open events that happens, as well as, award sessions and all, there also they should play the national anthem. Everywhere there is a huge public event happening, let's go for a national event.
In the long run, probably workplaces, on important occasions, probably, make it mandate saying that on a Republic Day, Independence Day, something like that the national anthem be played.
Weekly once anywhere, probably I work in a corporate field. I don't feel anything bad when it's played or when we sing the national anthem every week, weekly once. I don't have any issues on that case.